In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add attachments to emails using Mailchimp. Now, you may already be aware that Mailchimp doesn't allow direct attachments in emails. This is because attachments can increase the risk of your emails ending up in spam folders and can also impact deliverability. But don't worry, there's a straightforward workaround by which you can still share files with your subscribers. You can achieve this by simply uploading the files to Mailchimp and then inserting a download link into your email. Let me walk you through the process. First things first, you'll need to log into your Mailchimp account. Once you're successfully logged in, have a look at the left side panel. Here, you'll want to click on Content Studio. This is essentially your hub for managing all files and images that you use in your campaigns. When you're in the Content Studio, the next step is to select My Files. This area will show all the files you've previously uploaded, and it's also where we'll upload your new file. Just look for the upload button, give it a click, and choose the file you want to share from your computer. This process uploads your file to Mailchimp, effectively storing it in the cloud so you can easily share it with your email recipients. Now that your file is in Mailchimp, you need to locate the file URL. Once the upload is complete, Mailchimp will automatically generate a unique URL for the file. Be sure to copy this URL as it's the key to letting your audience access your file. With the file URL now ready, it's time to integrate it into your email campaign. Head over to your email campaigns and either create a new campaign or open an existing one that you want to edit. Within the email editor, you have a couple of options for how you present this download link to your readers. If you decide to use a text block, simply add one where you want the link to appear in the email. Next, type out the text you want to hyperlink, such as download here, or anything that communicates the action to your readers. Highlight that text, find the link icon in the email editor, and then paste your copied file URL. Alternatively, you might prefer to use a button for a cleaner, more visually appealing option. Buttons can be more engaging and clickable for your audience. To do this, add a button block to your email, and during the button setup, paste the file URL into the button link settings. And there you have it. These steps provide a seamless and efficient method to include attachments in your Mailchimp emails without compromising on deliverability. Now, you can share resources, documents, or any essential files directly with your audience with ease. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.